Okay, let's get rolling. We're back doing more color tests. We had a lot of success last night. Finally figured out the combo to hit a the green I've been searching for for a Jade Falcon Guard look. Um, and I took about all 15 miniatures that actually no, it was closer to like 20 ish, and stripped everything down, and they were basically just drying from being cleaned. And I really had a lot of fun messing around with the chromatic blacks and the idea of using that to make non-metallics, or even adding in um, some uh, some mica. So specifically, stuff like this, where it's a silver or pewter color, and then giving whatever we've created with our oil paints an actual metallic sheen. So super fun. Actually, I might keep that out just in case people ask why we're doing this. But so I was doing a little bit of research today um after I had stripped all those miniatures and started looking at different color combinations and trying to get a better understanding of how to make my chromatic blacks, and had some breakthroughs. Found some let me get my here. There we go. I had it stuffed underneath my keyboard. But yeah, so what I've discovered, and it's just so obvious now, is to make a chromatic black, you're mixing um your two complementary colors. Um and there's also ways of adding three colors to make it an even better black. But apparently you need to try and use um colors that are either semi-transparent, or they have some kind of transparency to them, because the more opaque the um the color, the brighter it's going to appear. And if we're trying to go for blacks, we don't want that. So the colors that we're still going to experiment, because why not? But apparently the best colors combos for chromatic blacks are the ones that do have a good transparency to them. I've got a few of those uh, written down that we'll try out later. But I was thinking I would kind of pick up where I left off, uh, where I was basically mixing my blues, my indigos, and I like using the same base color where like a whole page. So it's like with these we used a Van Dyke brown for the base, and I want to mix that again. But this time we're going to do like, I've got two different versions of a phthalo blue, and then I've got ultramarine, and I've got Prussian blue. So we're just it's just gonna be a lot of just mixing paint and seeing what kind of tones we have, because then whenever we're trying to figure out what we want to use on a miniature or model or whatever, um, we'll be a hell of a lot better informed. We'll be able to pull out the chart and be like, oh, yep, that's exactly where I want it. I want it that tone. Just like with this, it's like two different completely. It's like two different indigos mixed with that brown, but we have two different results. So, and unless we have that info, you know, can't really make an informed decision. So, I figured we just have a chill night, figuring some stuff out, and hanging out. So that's what's up. All right, so and I kind of like the idea of having like even a couple pages where it's just that